Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video I will make an illustration of one of my favorite anime series, Ghoul, and I will draw it in my own comic book style. And if you never heard of this series before, keep watching the video, I will tell you all about it. So let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing. I got in touch with this series through the soundtrack which I stumbled upon on YouTube. It made me curious to learn more about the story, and when I googled it and saw the first image of Kaneki and his mask, I was immediately sold on this series and started watching it on Netflix. And man, it did not disappoint. So it's no surprise that I quickly made plans to make a YouTube video about the series. In this video I will draw the main character Kaneki in my own more western comic style. And if you're not familiar with the series, keep watching the video guys, I will tell you a little bit more about it in a minute. And if there are other anime series or franchises that I should draw, you can share your suggestions with me in the comment section. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Ghoul is a Japanese dark fantasy manga and anime series written and illustrated by Seo Ishida. It is set in an alternate reality where ghouls, creatures that look like normal people but can only survive by eating human flesh, live among the human population in secrecy, hiding their true nature in order to evade pursuit from the authorities. Ghouls have powers including enhanced strength and regenerative abilities. A regular ghoul produces 4 to 7 times more kinetic energy in their muscles than normal humans. A ghoul's skin is resistant to ordinary piercing weapons, and it has at least one special predatory organ called a kagune, which it can manifest and use as a weapon during combat. Another distinctive trait of ghouls is when they are excited or hungry, the color of their sclera in both eyes turns black and their irises red. This mutation is known as kakugan. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is thinking time. Here we go. Yes, you. Would you like to own a sticker or a print or a t-shirt or a coffee mug with my art on it? Well, from now on, that's possible. I opened a web shop on Redbubble. Redbubble is a global online marketplace for print-on-demand products based on user-submitted artwork. So I upload my art and they will print it for you on a wide range of cool products and gadgets. This way you can get yourself some original designs and support me as an artist at the same time. I've put a link in the description if you want to take a look, but you don't have to if you don't want to. I'm already very honored that you are here watching my video. And you can also support me for free by subscribing to my channel or just liking this video. Now back to making art. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Kaneki from Tokyo Ghoul, and are there some other anime series which you want me to draw as well? Let me know in the comment section. And if you guys liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel out even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!